Did you know your bones are stronger than steel? Pound for pound, human bone is actually stronger than steel. A piece of bone the size of a matchbox can support thousands of kilograms before breaking. Yet, your bones are also lightweight, allowing you to move easily. The amazing part, your skeleton is constantly rebuilding itself. Most of the bones in your body are replaced over time, helping repair tiny cracks and stay strong throughout your life. Your body is doing incredible work every single day, even when you don't notice it. Follow for more amazing facts you probably never knew. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed today's video. If you found this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest educational videos. Join our growing community of curious minds as we explore amazing facts, science, history, and life lessons together. Remember, every day is a chance to learn something new. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.